So I wanted to make sure that you were super prepared for Fibonacci stuff. So I decided, hey, let's do even more Fibonacci. Here's another identity. It says that when you add up the first n terms of the Fibonacci sequence, you get, so f0 to fn, when you add those up, you get f sub n plus 2 minus the number 1. So let's see if we can prove that. I want you to kind of learn these techniques. So let's say I'm going to do what? f0 plus f1 plus f2 plus f3. I'm going to go all the way up to f6, f4. So you can see the pattern. f5 plus f6, so on and so forth. And then on the other hand, I'm going to go fn minus 6. So keep counting up towards fn, fn minus 5, and fn minus 4 plus fn minus 3 plus fn minus 2 plus fn minus 1 plus fn. Okay, so I've added up all my Fibonacci terms up to fn. So we looked at the first 6 and the last 6, and we got the in-betweens that we're not writing, right? We just got the dots because there's no way to really write everything. All right, so let's see. I'm going to leave the f0 as it is. I'm going to not touch that. But starting here with f1, this f1, I'm going to replace f1 with, remember that nice little property? It's the future minus the past. So f1 is going to be the future, f2 minus the past, f0. Then I'm going to go on to f2, f2, the future, f3 minus the past, f1. Then I'm going to go to f3, right? f3, the future, f4 minus the past, f2. Then f4, the future, f5 minus the past, f3. All right, then we're going to go to f5, the future, f6 minus the past, f4. f6 is going to be what? The future, f7 minus the past, f5. Okay, now a plus and a dot, dot, dot. And now so on and so forth. Now we're going to fn minus 6. It's going to be the future, fn minus 5 minus the past, fn minus 7. Let's scroll and let's do fn minus 5. So fn minus 5 is going to be the future, fn minus 4 minus the past, fn minus 6. Come on, man. Plus fn minus 4, the future, fn minus 3 minus the past, fn minus 5. And then we're going to go on to fn minus 3 and replace that with the future, fn minus 2 minus the past, fn minus 4. Plus, we got to replace fn minus 2 with the future, fn minus 1 minus the past, fn minus 3. Plus, fn minus 1, we're going to replace that with the future, fn minus the past, fn minus 2. And finally, fn, our last term here, is the future, fn plus 1 minus the past, fn minus 1. And now we got lots of canceling to do. So we're going to start here. We're going to cancel f2 positive with minus f2. So notice there's like a gap of 1, 2, 3, 4 in between, right? f of 0, f of 3, f of 1, f of 4. What the hell, man? All right. And then we're going to cancel what? F of 3 positive with minus f of 3. And then f of 4 positive, we're going to cancel with minus f of 4. Then f of 5, positive, we're going to cancel with minus f of 5. Then f of 6, positive, we're going to cancel like with a minus f of 6, which you can't see, but it's somewhere in the dot, dot, dot. The same thing goes for f of 7. You're going to cancel that with something there, a negative f of 7. Okay. Now, on the back end, we're going to have what? Minus f of n minus 1 canceling with a plus f sub n minus 1. And we're going to have a minus f sub n minus 2 canceling with a plus f sub n minus 2. And we're going to have a minus f sub n minus 3 canceling with the plus f sub n minus 3. And we're going to have a minus f sub n minus 4 canceling with the plus f sub n minus 4. And we're going to have a minus f sub n minus 5 canceling with the plus f sub n minus 5. And we're going to have a minus f sub n minus 6 canceling with the plus f sub n minus 6, which we can't see, but it's going to be somewhere in the middle where the dot, dot, dot is. We're going to have a minus f sub n minus 7 canceling with a positive f sub n minus 7, somewhere in the middle where the dot, dot, dot is. So what's left? Not a whole lot, right? Not a whole lot. We got f0, let's not miss any terms this time, minus f0 minus f1. All right, what else? Plus f sub n plus f sub n plus 1. Yeah, so these guys, right? This one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Now these just cancel. And remember what f sub n is? I'm sorry, f sub 1 is. So we have minus f sub 1. F sub 1 is 1, so we got negative 1. Plus, now we can put these two doodads together. If I take f sub n plus f sub n plus 1 using the Fibonacci recursive definition, this is f sub n plus 2. So if I scroll just a little bit more, I can rewrite this as follows. This is going to be f sub n plus 2 minus 1. There we are. There's our proof. Pretty neat, pretty neat.